What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and obviously we're back on the dyno. So from the last update of my cousin's car, we got the car running a week ago. It's been parked at the house. You know, he works all week, and we were scheduled for today, which is Saturday, March 9th, and we were supposed to get this car in the trailer and bring it here. I forgot yesterday, so I hit up my trailer guy, and he didn't reply back until literally like right now. But we're already out here in Antioch. We're already on the dyno, and you know, hopefully we're gonna make some good numbers, usable power just for this upcoming track on the 24th. The CSS motor is over there where Ghayth is gonna be doing like a full rundown on the setup, re-ring it and all that. So this motor is more of a conservative tune, get it running just to have fun with until the CSS motor is ready. Then we'll toss that back into the car. We're only going to be doing off the wastegate today because, like I said, conservative. We're not trying to send it or nothing. We're just trying to make it a fun, drivable street car. Even if it only makes 250, we're cool with that as well too. And if you guys didn't know, you know, the homie's back here again for round two.
It's dark, they can't see me. The light's coming in from like that way.
Oh, we can see you, bro.
You see me?
We can see you.
Hey, there you go.
All day.
You see me now.
Hey, we looking good.
Looking Gucci.
We're looking good. Hey, but you know
right
what? Track was postponed, so that's awesome. It only gives him more reason to really make it out the track, because I know you had an exam that you had to do that week. Yeah, but that's all taken care of. What?
It's taken care of, but we still got time to go to the track, so I guess I gotta try and get some stuff together so I can get down there with these guys. We'll see though.
We still got slicks for him too, so there's no excuse there. Hey.
12-8.
Oh.
Remember that. 12-8. He can drive.
I just screwed myself just now, huh?
No, he can drive.
You said it,
It's just different with slicks.
Yeah.
And the track.
My first pass might be like 14, so yeah, cut me some slack. Give me like 3 passes.
End of day goal is 12-8. Let's put it that way, because we first time on the track. First time on the track. So
12-8.
We got what, like 2.5 weeks maybe.
Better bring a helmet.
Let me borrow a helmet.
You want a Supreme helmet?
Hey, Bruno, give me that one.
I'm gonna buy a basketball helmet.
We're going to Target after this, fool.
Yeah.
All right? All right, guys, let's get back to the tuning. All we want off the wastegate pressure, and that's it, man. That's all we're looking for, off the wastegate pressure, right?
Wastegate pressure.
Wastegate pressure.
How much is the wastegate?
I think it's a 0.6 bar, so it's like a 8 pound.
That's perfect.
Yeah. $221. We're looking good, my friend. We're looking good, my friend. Double check. Smelled a little coolant, but I think the coolant is in the exhaust from the last engines. But I think we're looking really good. Make sure the ground is looking good. Make sure all the vacuum lines, the coolant lines, no leaks on the oil. We are looking golden. I think only the valve cover gasket is leaking a little bit here because the old spark plugs had oil in them. So we'll be sure to change that out when we get back home. But right now, we're looking really good. Catch can's doing its job. I didn't make that little shield in case of blow by. Don't want to go on the battery terminal, but again, we'll take care of that when we get back home.
$236. 178 torque.
250 at least. You gotta get 250 off the dyno today.
God damn! Zosh, where you at, Zosh?
What's this? Hey, hit it one time. Hit it one time. Hit it one time.
You still messing up?
You didn't want to boost over here.
On the driveway? On the driveway?
On the way over here.
My mommy's.
You didn't do anything. You feel like a regular car.
Alright. Check your pipes. For real? Who's cut? It's like 5. Six, 7 pounds. That's good. Yeah, that's almost all the boost. We're good with that. All right, guys. So right now the dyno's wrapped up. We're done here. And the ECU that we're running was one of Ghayth that he has sitting around because my cousin's S300 port for the cable is acting kind of funny. So right now we're uploading the map into his S300. But the problem is the car would run fine when it's hooked up, but once you disconnect the cable, it bogs out. I'm gonna see if I can try to show you guys what it's doing, but it's bogging out as soon as you take off the cable. But when you have the cables hooked to the computer, it runs perfectly fine. So either the computer is faulty, I'm gonna have to figure out if I can contact the person we bought it from, see if we can get it fixed or exchange. But as far as right now goes, we're trying to sort it out. If not, then we're gonna have to take everything out of the car to put the stock ECU back in and drive it back 80 miles home. Oh, y'all see that right there? Look. That's why he wasn't building any type of boost.
No, over here in the front.
No, I can see it right here. Look. Look at my camera.
Oh, yeah.
What this car make? 600?
600?
Yeah. Made a little bit of boost because it's pushing all the air through, you know what I mean? But
that's why two-step works, but now when I get down there, that motherfucker will take it for
yo.
make sure it works.
Yo. This is so clean.
Tight, right? So he took the turbo, and I was looking around, I was like, oh, okay.
Shit, keeping that power steering, boy, tucked away, you know what I'm saying? Damn.
The couplers came off.
Bruce don't know what he's doing out here. No, I didn't mean that. That shit was torque steering. Hey, it's the red badge, I'm telling you, it's the red badge. I found it in my drawers. I was like, fuck it, I'll stick it under. So I was like, it's fine when I'm
You hear that little
I was like, where the fuck's the two-step?
It's way up there.
Are you missing a gear? Are you going on the fourth or something?
No, I missed second that one.
Oh, okay.
Hey, that's my GSR tranny, bro. How's it feel? You gotta find that that sweet spot.
Yeah, you gotta take it to Wilbur, bro, so you can really like get into it a little bit.
He put his seatbelt on, so he's going outside.
Put it in fourth.
Sounds like he's going in fourth.
Is that fourth?
Because it goes.
Yeah, it's just bogging way too hard. He's going in fourth instead of second.
Yeah, GSR would not do that.
Yeah,
That's
that's
second. That's second.
So he was going into fourth.
Yeah. Second gear, right?
That's second gear?
That's second gear.
What about if you're driving and you tip into second gear? Does it fine or?
I'm gonna have to do that again.
That's the one?
This right here is the CSS motor, guys. Ghayth is gonna re-ring it and pretty much run through everything, make sure everything's golden before we slap it back in the photo. But just want to let you guys know this motor right here is for sale. What is it, Ellis block?
Yeah, Ellis block.
Ellis block sleeved, 85 mil copper O-ring too, right?
Yeah.
Yep, it's got new
Brand new bearings, fresh hone.
brand new bearings, fresh hone, skunk rods. These Super Tex?
Yeah,
Super Tex, 85 mil. What did your brother make on this?
You made 630 on GSR cams.
Ooh, GSR cams. Oh, these are supposedly ITRs, right?
Yeah, the ones we thought were ITRs. Those ended up being
This block right here is ready to rock and roll, guys. What do y'all think? Sleeve motor for the CRX? Make some power, all-wheel drive? I don't know. I don't know if I'm even ready for it, but shit, I might have to cash out. Hell yeah! Hey, definitely nice seeing you out here again, supporting us, trying to make this end well. And at the end of the day, we ended really well. So I mean, we got a little bit of Bruce's car. So yeah, I mean, definitely. This guy goes to. He said, "Yeah, I'll go to track in the car show."
Yeah.
I'm like, dude.
I'm still there.
Yeah, technically yes. Yeah, but you haven't put that car in the track yet, though, right? That power you be putting, that's a 10-second car.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. But anyways, guys, this dude over here already reminiscing about the sleeve block. You ready? You sure you ready for that block, bro? You know what comes with that block, right? That means the S300 has to come. It means your ass gonna have to get 24 because I ain't gonna lend you my shit.
No missing gears.
Oh, and you gotta get the 3-4 extra trannies.
Oh yeah.
Just in case.
Wow.
Then you be ready for that motor.
There's one thing they don't sell is driver mods, so you gotta.
Oh, like
shit.
that.
Dirty.
But all in reality, Kerry's engine has been running since November 2017. It's a stock block with unknown miles. He bought it off of Craigslist and has been running since with an eBay turbo setup. It's smoking a little bit, and it's best to just prep now for when we do have to change it out. We have a motor ready to go, and I think Kerry has a good 1 year of learning his car. Not learning his driving, but learning the car. And you know, hopefully he steps into the big boy ballpark real soon. Real soon.
Yep. Come on, you got a perfect exhaust manifold for you right there with a wastegate on it.
With the wastegate. Hey, why you still playing, bro?
I bet you do, huh?
Right here.
This is cocked too.
That's what Kerry has in this car.
That's what I ran with my first turbo kit. That's what Robbie ran with his first turbo kit. The same shit. Now it's time for Antoine.
Passing it along, bro.
The same manifold, everything.
Everything.
I still need AC.
Aw, quit that, bro.
Bro. You want to see? Did you not see the B20 VTEC?
Bro, the new CRV I'm doing right now, AC and power steering. Bro, hey, this guy, bro. Hey, if you want to do a turbo kit with AC and power steering, you talk to me, bro. I'll fab you up some. So guys, we are out of here. Good day chilling, dyno day with, you know, Ghayth, Jeremy, and Murph. Cousin's car is actually driving home again. We didn't push it hard. It's a conservative tune because this motor is going to be going into the CRV. You guys saw the CSS engine. We're waiting for that to come back and hopefully get it ready for next month's track. But we made 240 on 7 pounds, pump gas, stock B20 block, stock GSR head, nothing fancy. We maxed out the 450cc injectors at 92% duty cycle, so we had to stop regardless. I know the car could have made more, but my cousin wanted to make sure we can drive it home, so we're driving it home. It was overall a great day, guys. Be sure to hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Track is around the corner, so be sure to hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see that. We're gonna have a lot of cars come out. The all-wheel driver is gonna do some work. You're gonna do some work. Four-door is gonna do some work. A lot of our buddies is gonna be out there as well too. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.